Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So today my transporter has dropped off another car that we won from COPART. Obviously I said in the Dacia video we've won 3 cars. So this is the second one. This one's pretty interesting. I've never had one of these on the channel before. Not as interested as the M4, but I'm sure you all enjoy it. So we'll turn it round and I'll run you through it and we'll have a look at the damage and stuff and see what you think. I'll just quickly show you the inside while I'm in here. I know you show the outside first, but I'm in here, so I may as well show you. It looks like all the seat belts are clipped. It might have just had an MOT. I'll have to check. I can't remember. It's got a flat bottom steering wheel. It's got some controls on the steering wheel, phone connect, auto headlights and stuff. It's got reverse camera, proper display here. AC. Yeah, AC. It's on 33,000 miles. The keys over there on the box, but it's on 33,000 miles. It's a little Suzuki Swift, front electric windows. It's got lots of spec in it, so it's pretty nice. Right, well, I'll get out and I'll show you the outside and I'll show you the damage. Alright guys, so this is the outside. Well, actually, I'll show you this in a second, but just let you see. So honestly, there's not a mark on it apart from obviously the damage. 69 plate. I think it's the newest car I've ever bought. That's just shit or something. And then, yeah, it does drive actually, which is funny. But that wheel is definitely a bit like that. I've had a little look, some stuff bent down there, obviously. Basically, wing, bonnet, headlight's not even cracked, but inside of it's smashed. So I don't know how that works. So that's a shame. Headlight, probably front bumper. Might be able to save it, but I'll just have a look. Probably be able to buy one. Looks like this is okay. Fog light's good. That grill's cracked a bit. See what I can save, see what I can't. First protocol is definitely take that wheel off, find out what's bent in there, fix all that, put the wheel back on, or, well, yeah, I'll put this wheel back on for a bit, but then I'll get a new one. Unless it can be refurbed, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, definitely to get that straight, probably take the wing off as well. Maybe the front bumper, I don't know. That won't be today though, because we're very busy at the minute. But yeah, obviously it's cracked there as well. That headlight's good though. If I can open the bonnet. Looks good in here. Everything looks good, so happy days. It all starts and everything, it starts fine. There's no paperwork with it, which is great. There is a lock and wheel nut though. Just thought I'd quickly show you the mileage. 32,000 miles, nearly full tank of fuel as well. Because the petrol, they haven't installed it, which is nice. But yeah, it's got, if I put it in reverse camera. That's nice. I don't know if it's got parking sensors though. Is it? It might not have in the back, but it might in the front.
They probably think you want to trust the camera.
Yeah, which I didn't even use. Even my old E46 have got parking sensors. Don't worry about the damage. Someone decided to sideswipe me and try to kill me, but yeah. Yeah, so we're probably just gonna... Oh, I hate stickers. They do my head in. So probably gonna remove all these stickers because they wind me up. And then probably jack the car up, maybe put on some axle stands, see what's... Take the wheel off, see what's wrong with it. And then try and get the wheel spot on first, it's all straight, and then we can worry about the body damage. Alright, sorry about that car, it's on because the battery was dead, so I'm just leaving it to run, but did a little shuffle. Some cars moved about. Got it jacked up and put on an axle stand. Just removed the lug nuts there. Grant wants to remove the wheels.
Do I?
So I don't get dirty hands. Welded on. Oh wait, beforehand, hang on, don't touch it. Just shut them underneath. It's got a bit of camber to it. I don't know if you can see that knuckle. Bolt's loose, wire is broken, that's obviously bent.
Well, the bolt's not loose, the bolt's
And then obviously that's up there nice and tight. So yeah, let's get that removed. Don't scratch it. Good tyre actually, that might be alright, that tyre though, genuinely. Ooh, look at that. Shined it back into life. Needs a new arch liner.
Oh, look at that. I like it a bit.
That's what I was just saying. Discs have been on there since new, that's for sure.
Brake pad worse, isn't
Oh,
it?
brake pad. That's one of the ABS is on. Obviously that's broken. I wonder if that just went back in there, it might be alright.
It's pulled the... We'd have to untighten it.
Depends if the shock's knackered or not. The only way to test it is to put it back, put the wheel back on, and just drive it back and forwards and just see if it's straight or not. Looks like it's had a pad slap though. It's always nice. Bottom looks straight. This doesn't look like the... Oh, that's been bent. What's the problem?
It's still... The ABS is still connected, so this is the plug-in.
Oh, it's plug-in. We can restore that though. That should be alright. Hopefully. Yeah, probably push that back in. Probably won't be able to do that today though, because I haven't got any tools with me. Under tray is all broken. Alright, we've got a new shock here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the old one obviously, and then I'm going to take it to mine and fit the new shock to the old spring and everything and all the dampeners and stuff. But first we want to remove it. This is a 17mm here, that's 17mm as well. To remove them. That is a 40mm I think, the drop link. Yep, 40mm for the drop link. So we'll remove the drop link first and get these two off, and then we'll sort the top out as well. Alright, we've took all the damage off this side mostly, obviously we've not took all this stuff off, but all the leg and stuff. Apart from this here, we haven't took that off yet, because that hasn't come, but we've took the shock off and everything. We've had a little look around, it all looks good. Might be a little bent there, or is that just the body shape? No, that's the body shape actually. It looks like it's just grazed it a little bit here, where the wheels, when it's pushed back, the wheels grazed it there. But yeah, everything else looks spot on. So happy about that. We took the arch liner off, obviously. The wing will come off, but not yet. Took the under tray off as well. I'll just show you the arch liner's all messed up. So that's not good. That's getting a new one of them. Under tray, a little cover there. And that's the shock. Don't know if you can tell, but it's like that. So, and then obviously this bit's all been messed up here. So we'll take this one here and the new one back to mine. We'll get the old parts put onto the new one. Then we'll come back and we'll fit this on, and then we can put the wheel back on. It'll be drivable then. Well, movable properly. It did move actually how it was, but obviously it's just a bit dodgy. But yeah, we can get all that sorted and it'll be up and going. I'm still waiting on the parts, the inner and outer tie rod there. They haven't come yet. But as soon as they come I can change them over as well. But the lower control arm looks spot on. Axle looks good and everything else looks good. Knuckle looks fine. Got a new drop link just in case we couldn't get it off, but we did manage to get it off. But I mean, it's a little bit loosey goosey anyway. It's not terrible, it would be fine, but I've bought a new one anyway, so we'll get that changed as well. Right, we're back at the garage now. We're just tightening this up. Gonna get some tension on the spring. There we go. Nice and tight. I'll have to get a thing on it. One sec, we'll just untighten this. Get a little hex on there, 19mm bolt, untighten that. Right, we've got that loosened. Pretty straightforward, just put that on there, then get this hex on top of it. That was a 6mm. Got to grab that. That all looks good. Yeah, top looks fine. Just remove this out, put it on the new shock, and get it all built back up. All right, this is the old one. It's knackered anyway because I've just compressed and it won't come back out. We've built the new one back up. Everything's all sorted on that now. Everything's set properly. So we'll go back and fit that to the car now. Alright, we've got the shock all fitted. Put the drop link in there just for a second because I'm waiting on a new one, obviously. Waiting on new inner and outer tie rod. But yeah, all this is tightened back up, brake line's back on. All that's sorted. Need to buy a new wheel speed sensor. So I'm going to order one of them. It's all back up top as well, all tightened up. So yeah, happy days. Alright, it's the next day now and we've got all the new parts here. So I'll set you up on a little time lapse and we'll get all this changed out and the new drop link in. Alright, my phone's died, so I'm not sure if any of that footage was recorded, but basically we're changing out the in and outer tie rod. We've got it all, this is the old one here. It's a new one, you can see the big bend in it. So we've measured it about right, hopefully. But obviously it's got a bend in it, so we're not exactly sure. Obviously got the new in and outer on now, so just going to put it back in here, tighten it all up. We've got the drop link on, that's all tightened up, that's a new one. The old one was fine, but it's just easy just to change them out because there's usually something wrong with them when something's bent on this side. So we've changed it out. Yeah, I'll just tighten this one back in, and we'll get it all tightened up, make sure it's right, and then we can put the wheel back on. All right, we've got it all sorted. Got the outer and inner on. I just zip tied it back on. We got this roughly about right, I think. We can get the wheel on now. It looks spot on though. We'll put the wheel on and we can see then what it looks like. Obviously we've got the drop link on. Obviously got this the strut on yesterday, so that's all sorted. Knuckle looks fine. Discs are probably from new, I imagine. They've got a lip on them, but plenty of pad left. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this little corner. It looks alright. Yeah, everything looks fine there. Obviously took the outer liner off yesterday. But yeah, next thing is I've already bought the wing. Next thing is to strip the front end off, see what damage we're working with, and then we can start buying parts for it. Alright, thanks for watching part 1, and part 2 should be next week, where we obviously take the front end off and hopefully put some new bits back on. Definitely the wing, because I've already bought that. But we'll see what the crack is with the headlight, because the inside's broken but the outside isn't, which is interesting. And hopefully we'll see if there's any more damage on the front end. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.